Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back with another Cash App video. I make tons of Cash App tutorials on my channel, so be sure to subscribe and like this video if you're interested. In the last video, I showed how to get $50 free on Cash App. I'll link that down in the description, but today I'm going to show you how to get $30 more for free. And this method could actually be repeated. Real quick, like we do every day, buy $1 of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is killing it today. Up over 5%, but let's tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details, tap confirm, and just like that, we've purchased $1 of Bitcoin, tap done. We can see that my Bitcoin owned has just reached 0.09 Bitcoin, so pretty big milestone there for buying $1 each day. Now hopping right into the method that you can use to earn $30 on Cash App. Let's just go to the main screen here. What you want to do is tap the icon in the top right corner. This is going to show your profile, your name, your cash tag, everything like that. And right under that, you'll see a button that says invite friends, get $30. So let's go ahead and tap this button. It's going to open up a list of our friends. So on the left side here, I'm going to blur these names and numbers, but you'll see that some of these people with the green button don't have Cash App yet, and the ones that don't have that green button already have Cash App, so you can't invite them. But any of these people that don't have Cash App, you can tap get $30 and go through the process of inviting them to Cash App, and it will essentially give you $30 for every user that's in your contacts that you get to sign up. If you invite someone that isn't in your contacts, I believe you get $5. But yeah, there you have it, an easy method to earn $30 just for inviting people to Cash App. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below and let us know what you think. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.